to Emily's Kitchen 艾米丽厨房 Rice Cooker. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to cook rice today. No, I'm just kidding. Today I'm going to show you how to use a rice cooker to bake a cake. If you are like me, who always fail in making chiffon cake or sponge cake, then you have to try the version using the rice cooker, because the first time when I'm successfully baking a chiffon cake is using a rice cooker. Alright, let's start it and then let's have a look at the ingredients today.
First, we are going to beat the egg yolk. Add the 4 egg yolks and the sugar. Beat on the medium speed until the egg whites turn a little bit lighter. This process will take approximately 3 minutes. Then we add in the milk, the oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of the pandan essence. You can also use pandan juice squeezed from the pandan leaves. If you are using the pandan juice, you need to reduce the amount of milk accordingly. Then mix together using a whisk. Next, we add in the sifted cake flours. Remember, if you can't find any cake flour, you can use 1 part of corn flour and mix with 4 parts of all-purpose flour. This is how it looks like after we mix everything together. Next, we are going to beat the egg whites. Beat the 4 egg whites using an electric mixer on the low speed, and when we see the big bubbles coming out, add 1/3 of the sugar. The sugar has to be added slowly while the whites are being whipped, and we can then gradually increase the speed. This is soft pig. The tip of the pig curls over itself, therefore it's not ready. This is firm pig. It stands straight up when we leave the beater. This is what we want. Next, mix 1/3 of the egg whites into the pandan mixture and mix them together. Add the pandan mixture to meringue and fold gently. Do it quickly but gently to avoid deflating the meringue. Scrape from bottom up and fold over until the mixture are well combined. Place a baking paper at the bottom of the rice cooker or brush some oil. Add the mixture into the rice cooker. Tap the rice cooker on the countertop a few times to burst the large bubbles. And we can start our baking. Select the baking menu of rice cooker and cook for 40 minutes.
Different from the oven, the rice cooker doesn't need to be preheated. The cake is now being cooked in the rice cooker and we'll come back after 40 minutes. Meantime, I'm going to watch some Netflix. Let's have a look and see what is available. This one, Bird Box. It looks interesting. Hang on. Go to Bird 2. Alright, I'll see you later after 40 minutes.
After 40 minutes, our cake is cooked. Open the lid carefully and remove it to a cooling rack. And tear off the baking paper. Look how spongy and soft it is.
our Pandan Chiffon cake is now ready, and I'm going to show you how spongy the cake is. Did you see that, guys? If you have not been successful in making chiffon cake or sponge cake before, please try this using the rice cooker, and please let me know how you go by leaving a comment. I'll see you next time. 下次见咯，拜拜。I'm going to watch my Netflix.